Hello viewers, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to compare between the two humidifiers. One is Homech, the next one is Mikikin. Initially I started with Homech. I bought it from Amazon. It has a lot of reviews, so I thought it will be very good for myself. And here is the real product. The right side is Homech, left side is Mikikin. The Homech model is well built, quiet, and it's bottom fill tank. We have to lift it and there will be a cap in the bottom and we have to fill the water from the bottom side. Let me come to the point. So if I turn on the humidifier, the Homech humidifier, and keep it around 50%, like here is the on and here is the off, so I consider this as 50%, and see how much steam is coming out from the humidifier. So it looks like very less. At the same time, I'm going to switch on the Mikikin model and keep the level 1 speed and see how much moist is coming out, or we can say like steam is coming out. So looks good for me on the left side humidifier. Let me increase the Homech model to max. At the same time, let me increase this to level 2, even not to level 3, just to level 2. You can see the difference. The Homech model goes very fast, like the airflow is very fast and you see less moist. And the left side, the Homech model, the Mikikin model gives more moist in the air. Overall, my opinion, I like the Mikikin model compared to the Homech. The final thing is, final thing is, once I stop the Homech model, the motor runs for a while and then it turns off. Yeah, this is about my opinion. If you like my video, click like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.